Hi, I'm John Ruther, owner of Northstar Motorsports in Chicago. At Northstar, we are the original racing resource, where we sell everything auto racing safety equipment related, whether it's seats, all the driving gear, from suits, shoes, gloves, Nomex underwear, head and neck restraints, harnesses, on and on. We're also the largest distributor of Pagid racing brake pads in North America, and we bring in endless racing brake pads from Japan. So they are a great pad as well. Today I'd like to talk about two relatively new seats from Sparco. These seats are, you see the initials on this one, QRT. That stands for Quick Resin Technology. Sparco has figured out a way to make the seats much, much lighter than they had previously been for a fiberglass-based seat, but yet it's stronger than it's ever been. So it meets all of the FIA certification requirements, but yet it's very, very light, and it's strong. It doesn't flex. So these seats are really cool. That seat is just called the QRT-R. It only comes in one size, and it's a large, and it's a plentiful large seat. Some size large seats aren't all that big. I fit in that seat and have room left over. So if you've got a 36 to 38 inch waist, you will fit in this seat, and it'll do great for you. The seat has large harness holes. So if you're a little taller, and it's a little taller in the backrest, so that if you're taller, you've got plenty of room for your head and neck restraint and your harnesses to go over that and make it through the harness holes in the head of the seat. The other thing I'd like to do is the padding is all just Velcroed in, so you can just pull the Velcro out. Same on the bottom. The sub belt is accessed through the two cushions in the bottom. There's a hole in the bottom of the shell, and the outside of the seat is a velour that's made out of Nomex, so it's fire retardant material on the outside of the seat. Like I said, the shell is basically a fiberglass type shell, but it's made out of this quick resin technology, so it's very light. The regular QRT is $8.99 currently, and then they make this version, which is also a QRT version of their head restraint seat. The seat is significantly deeper than that one. It does have head restraints built in, so you get lateral support. If you ever hit something going sideways, this will protect your head and your neck. And then obviously the Hans or the head and neck restraint that you wear will protect you in a fore and aft kind of an incident. So they did put on all of these seats, they put kind of an anti-friction material here, which keeps you from sliding in the seat. And they use it as the bottom cushion in the bottom of both of these seats as well. So these are all current dated through 2028 FIA approved seats, and they are absolutely terrific. This one doesn't look as wide as that, but I sat in both of them. This is exactly the same width as that. It just feels a little tighter simply because it's so much deeper, and it has real big supportive areas on the rib cage area. So I think they've done a really lovely job designing these seats, and they're certainly priced competitively. This seat is currently $10.99. That doesn't include any mounting hardware. It doesn't include side mount brackets, which we stock as well. But I like both of them a great deal. We sell quite a few of these seats and have done very well with it. Customers really like them. So that's why I wanted to feature the QRT seats from Sparco today. If you would like more information on these seats, just go to our website, northstarmotorsports.com, or give us a call, 1-800-356-2080. And if you're in the Chicagoland area, stop by and see us. We've got an entire showroom and warehouse full of product, and we'd love to show you everything we've got. And you can try things on. You can sit in all of our seats. We're here to help you, and we all know racing. That's what we do. And so we'd like to have you come see us. So again, the QRT seats from Sparco. Thanks so much for watching.